What up y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I'm doing a press on tutorial. So if you want to see how I achieve these nails, stay tuned. So I'm going to start off with filing my nails. You want to make sure that you wash your hands real good and that you dry each nail bed really well before you start this process, just to make sure there's no moisture.
Jeff Productions.
Then I'm going to go in with this nail prep. I'll be sure to link this in the description in case you want to get it. I think I got this off Amazon. And what this does is it also dries the nail out, because if you have any type of moisture on your nail, that's, that makes it pop off. That's what makes it not stick. And y'all, don't laugh at my cuticles or talk about me, because I know they dry. I be biting them, so yeah. So here I'm just going to, what I like to do is I like to size the nail, all the nails, before I start gluing. It just is easier for me, so I just like size them and line them all up first. So now it's time to start gluing. You want to make sure you're using some fresh glue, because I feel like old glue always just don't work that good. So I'm covering my entire nail with glue, and I'm also putting a drop of glue in the press-on nail. And as you can see, I'm kind of moving it around so that it covers most of the press-on nail. And then I'm going to firmly press it on my cuticle. I mean, not my cuticle, y'all, my nail. Don't squeeze it or squeeze all the glue out. Just firmly press it on there.
Jeff Productions. Jeff Productions.
Now, I don't really like the shape of these nails. It's giving very much duck, and I don't like it. So I'm just gonna really shave down the sides and give it more of like a narrow type of shape to it. So, just get a really good file. I got mine from the beauty supply store. And you can shape up your nails in whatever shape you like them to be.
Jeff Productions.
So that's it. This is the final look. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please make sure you give this a thumbs up and click that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.